This is going to be my side insert. You can see that it's not an aluminium one. I do have aluminium ones, but I prefer these because they look much better and you can customize to whatever colors you want. This one, we're going with the same color as the roof, and the stripes, which are a bit thicker and heavier than the standard size, are a 3M film called Psychedelic Flip. So they kind of look grey, but in the sun they transition through various colors. Kind of like a, I don't know, hard to say. You'll see it. Right. I'm going to peel the back off. So what I typically do here is I peel the entire back off. Just stay there, Josh. Shooting along it. Alright, and then I put this back on, but only partially. So I'll leave the back corner off, just put that on there, and that allows me to move it around so the whole thing doesn't all stick at once, and I don't want to fight it. It's fighting me now. So I just want to reposition that a little bit. So about there. I only want about 25 mil of it sticking above the paper. Alright, and this is where I line it up on the car now. So we can see where it used to be. I'm just going to not put it perfectly in the spot, I'm just sort of putting it on so I can line it up a little bit better. See what's happening now. It's not too bad. Quite perfect. Just going to tack that on there. Whole lot off now. Alright, so what I'm doing here is lining up between those grooves, and I'm just coming past the back of the car a couple of millimeters. I'm just lining up with those lines. Yep. Now your trim's also going to come over this quite a bit. Alright, now I'm just going to get my applicator. I'm going to start in the middle, wipe down, then I'm going to wipe all the way back, overlapping. See, I'm getting a bit of an air bubble there. I'm just going to keep pushing that all the way back. Start to pinch up, just peel that off a little. There we go. Just using the squeegee to push into that seam. When I run my blade down there on the hard edge of the chrome, that'll trim it off and I'll rub it back in. Moving forward. Starting to bunch up, so I'm going to peel it off here. I did tack it on quite well, didn't I? It's a hot day, so it's probably going to grab quite a bit. Peel him off, there we go. Just peel over the door like that, rub the crease, that's fine. So you can order from graphic wraps any colour you like on the side inserts. So for this little section, I'm actually going to use the door channel or the door seam to guide the blade. I'm just going to run it down between there like that. And grab your squeegee, run in from that side, and just tucking it in the door a little bit.
And you can order these custom graphic wraps?
Of course, any colour you like.
That's good.
Any colour, any design, you can put a digital print in there, you can do whatever you like. The sky's the limit. Alright.
Alright, now we just put the chrome back on and we'll do the doors off.
Hang on, I haven't done the trim on the back yet.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Oh, gotta watch that. Pulling my vinyl off.
So you do the back, the trim on the back.
Still doing it.
So you do the trim on the back, Now we put all the chrome back on.
So it's a hot day, and this application paper has been on this decal for a couple of weeks, so it's bonding a little bit more than it usually would. So I'm just going to make sure it's not going to pull off any, the other one. Sometimes it happens. Humidity as well. It's very humid today. I'll probably grab the next one. Oh, I just left that one. Oh, put the next one there. If I went the other direction, it probably wouldn't do it. Alright, so what we want to do now is just make sure there's no persistent bubbles. Sometimes on a hot day like today, it will put bubbles into it as you're removing the application paper. So with these, there are holes there for the badge. You can't see them. The vinyl's actually covered that up really well. So if you didn't want your badges on, you don't have to. But I'm going to put a Chevrolet badge back on there. So again, I'm just going to rub my squeegee just in between that, just to push that vinyl in a little bit, because you don't want it sort of short of the panel. And then pushing on the chrome side, you're going to run your blade down very carefully. I might go from the bottom up because it's a step there. Point it right at the chrome. Just very carefully and slowly get through the bottom. Just peel that out. There's a hole there. Tuck that in. And there we go. Now we put the chrome back on. Alright, we're about to put the chrome on. Okay. Okay. Bit of chrome.
There we go.